Did you know that the average American spends nearly 30% of their income on housing? For many, it's the single largest expense each month. But what if you could slash those costs significantly without sacrificing comfort? Imagine having extra cash each month for savings, travel, or other important expenses just by making a few strategic changes to your housing situation. In this video, we'll unveil some of the best tips and tricks to help you save money on housing, whether you're renting or owning a home. Let's dive into our first section on finding affordable housing. Finding affordable housing can be a game changer for your budget. Let's explore some practical strategies to help you secure a home that won't break the bank. 1. Do your research. Start by researching different neighborhoods. Websites like Zillow, Trulia, and Craigslist can be invaluable resources for finding rental properties within your budget. Look for areas that offer a good balance between cost and amenities. Sometimes, living a little further from the city center can significantly reduce your rent. 2. Negotiate rent. Don't be afraid to negotiate the rent with potential landlords. If you've done your research and know the average rent prices in the area, use that information to your advantage. Highlight your reliability as a tenant, such as having a steady income, good credit score, and positive references from previous landlords. You might be able to negotiate a lower rent or get some perks like free parking or utilities included. 3. Consider roommates. Sharing your living space with roommates can drastically cut down your housing costs. Splitting the rent and utilities with one or more roommates can make living in a nicer area more affordable. Make sure to choose roommates carefully to ensure a harmonious living situation. 4. Look for move-in specials. Many apartment complexes offer move-in specials, especially during off-peak rental seasons. These specials can include reduced rent for the first few months, waived application fees, or free utilities for a certain period. Keep an eye out for these deals to save money up front. 5. Opt for smaller spaces. A smaller apartment or house can significantly reduce your housing expenses. Consider your actual space needs and see if you can downsize without sacrificing comfort. Smaller spaces are not only cheaper to rent, but also cheaper to maintain and furnish. 6. Leverage local housing programs. Many cities offer housing assistance programs for low-income individuals and families. These programs can provide rental assistance, subsidized housing, or help with finding affordable homes. Check with your local housing authority or community organizations to see what options are available. 7. Consider subletting. If your lease allows, consider subletting a portion of your home. This can be a temporary or long-term arrangement, but it's a great way to offset your rental costs if you have extra space. By following these strategies, you can find affordable housing that fits your budget without compromising on quality of life. Next, let's talk about maximizing space efficiency to get the most out of your living area. Maximizing the efficiency of your living space can significantly impact your housing costs and quality of life. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your space. 1. Declutter regularly. One of the simplest ways to maximize your space is to declutter. Regularly go through your belongings and get rid of items you no longer need or use. This not only frees up space, but also makes your home feel more organized and spacious. Consider donating, selling, or recycling items to keep your space clear. 2. Use multifunctional furniture. Invest in furniture that serves multiple purposes. For example, a sofa bed can provide seating during the day and a place to sleep at night. Ottomans with storage inside can be used for seating, a coffee table, and a place to store blankets or other items. Murphy beds are another great option for small spaces as they can be folded up when not in use. 3. Vertical storage solutions. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves, hanging racks, and other storage solutions on your walls. This can help you keep your floors clear and make use of often overlooked space. Consider using tall bookcases, wall-mounted cabinets, and pegboards for organizing various items. 4. Create defined zones. Even in a small space, creating defined zones for different activities can make your home feel larger and more functional. Use rugs, furniture placement, or room dividers to create separate areas for sleeping, working, eating, and relaxing. This helps in maintaining order and reduces the feeling of clutter. 5. Optimize closet space. Make the most of your closets by using organizers, shelves, and hooks. Consider adding a second hanging rod to double your hanging space, or using hanging shoe organizers and bins for smaller items. Properly organizing your closet can free up other areas of your home for different uses. 6. Foldable and stackable items. Choose items that can be folded or stacked when not in use. Foldable chairs, tables, and drying racks can be easily stored away when not needed, freeing up valuable floor space. Stackable bins and boxes can help you keep things organized and out of the way. 7. Minimalist approach. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle can help you maintain a clutter-free and efficient living space. Focus on keeping only the items that you truly need and use regularly. This approach not only maximizes your space, but can also reduce stress and create a more peaceful living environment. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize the efficiency of your living space, making it more comfortable and functional without the need for a larger home. Next, we'll explore how to reduce utility costs and save even more money. Reducing utility costs is a straightforward way to save money on housing. Here are some practical tips to help you cut down on your energy and water bills. 1. Use energy-efficient appliances. Investing in energy-efficient appliances can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates they meet energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Although they might have a higher upfront cost, the long-term savings make them worthwhile. 2. Optimize heating and cooling. Heating and cooling account for a large portion of utility bills. To reduce these costs, use a programmable thermostat to adjust the temperature based on your schedule. Set the thermostat lower in the winter and higher in the summer when you're not home. Additionally, regularly maintain your HVAC system and change filters to ensure it operates efficiently. 3. Seal leaks and insulate. Proper insulation and sealing leaks can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Check for drafts around windows, doors, and other openings, and use weather stripping or caulk to seal them. Insulating your attic, walls, and floors can also help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. 4. Efficient lighting. Replace incandescent bulbs with LED or CFL bulbs, which use less energy and last longer. Additionally, make it a habit to turn off lights when not in use and take advantage of natural light during the day. Consider using smart lighting systems that allow you to control lights remotely and set schedules. 5. Water-saving fixtures. Installing water-saving fixtures like low-flow showerheads, faucets, and toilets can reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. Fix any leaks promptly, as even a small drip can waste a significant amount of water over time. Additionally, consider using a water heater timer to reduce energy consumption when hot water is not needed. 6. Unplug electronics. Many electronics and appliances continue to draw power even when turned off. Unplug devices when not in use, or use power strips to easily disconnect multiple devices at once. Smart power strips can automatically cut off power to devices that are in standby mode. 7. Simple habits. Adopting simple habits can lead to significant savings. Wash clothes in cold water, take shorter showers, and only run dishwashers and washing machines with full loads. Additionally, air dry clothes whenever possible to reduce the use of energy-intensive dryers. By implementing these tips, you can reduce your utility costs and save money every month. Next, we'll look at additional cost-saving tips that can further help you manage your housing expenses. In addition to finding affordable housing and reducing utility costs, there are several other strategies you can employ to save money on housing. Here are some additional cost-saving tips. 1. House sharing. Consider house sharing or renting out a room in your home. This can significantly reduce your housing costs by splitting rent or mortgage payments and utilities with others. Websites like Airbnb and Spare Room can help you find compatible housemates or short-term renters. 2. Homeownership assistance programs. Look into homeownership assistance programs that can provide financial support for buying a home. These programs often offer grants, low-interest loans, or down payment assistance to eligible buyers. Check with local housing authorities or nonprofit organizations to see what options are available in your area. 3. Refinancing your mortgage. If you own a home, refinancing your mortgage can lower your monthly payments by securing a lower interest rate or extending the loan term. Be sure to calculate the costs associated with refinancing to ensure that the savings outweigh the expenses. 4. DIY home repairs. Learning basic home repair skills can save you money on maintenance and repairs. Simple tasks like fixing a leaky faucet, painting, or installing shelves can often be done without hiring a professional. There are plenty of online tutorials and resources to help you learn these skills. 5. Tax benefits. Take advantage of tax deductions and credits related to homeownership. Mortgage interest, property taxes, and certain home improvements may be tax deductible. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you're maximizing your tax benefits. 6. Energy audits. Many utility companies offer free or low-cost energy audits to help you identify ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. An energy audit can reveal hidden issues like poor insulation or inefficient appliances and provide recommendations for upgrades that can save you money in the long run. 7. Long-term financial planning. Developing a long-term financial plan for your housing costs can help you manage expenses more effectively. Set goals for saving towards a down payment, paying off your mortgage early, or building an emergency fund for home repairs. Regularly review and adjust your plan to stay on track with your financial objectives. 8. Renting out unused space. If you have unused space like a garage, basement, or storage room, consider renting it out for additional income. Many people are looking for affordable storage solutions, and this can be an easy way to generate extra money without much effort. By incorporating these additional cost-saving tips, you can further reduce your housing expenses and improve your overall financial health. Finally, let's wrap up with a summary and some final thoughts. We've covered a variety of strategies to help you save money on housing, from finding affordable rentals to reducing utility costs and implementing additional cost-saving measures. By applying these tips, you can make a significant impact on your budget and achieve greater financial stability. Recap of key points. Finding affordable housing. Do thorough research, negotiate rent, consider roommates, look for move-in specials, opt for smaller spaces, leverage local housing programs, and consider subletting. Maximizing space efficiency. Declutter regularly, use multifunctional furniture, utilize vertical storage solutions, create defined zones, optimize closet space, choose foldable and stackable items, and embrace a minimalist approach. Reducing utility costs. Invest in energy-efficient appliances, optimize heating and cooling, seal leaks and insulate, use efficient lighting, install water-saving fixtures, unplug electronics, and adopt simple habits. Additional cost-saving tips. Consider house sharing, explore homeownership assistance programs, refinance your mortgage, learn DIY home repairs, take advantage of tax benefits, conduct energy audits, plan long-term, and rent out and use space. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can significantly reduce your housing costs without sacrificing comfort or quality of life. Remember, every small change adds up, and the savings you achieve can be redirected towards other important financial goals. Stay proactive and continuously look for new ways to save. Housing costs can fluctuate, and staying informed about market trends and available resources can help you make the best decisions for your situation. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice if needed, especially when it comes to refinancing or tax benefits. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving advice. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can all achieve greater financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to saving money on housing.